Ramadhani, and very good morning to my beloved teacher and all my friends. I am Muhammad Shafiq Walbi Abu Zarim from SK Jawi Sekolah Menengah Tinggi. My school code is PB84013. Today, I feel very excited to share with you a story that made me smile and imagine fun adventures. The title of the book is Transformers: The Ultimate Guide, written by Simon Furman. This book has 144 colorful pages and is full of robot actions and battles. It's the perfect book for boys who love missions, cars, and heroes. This book tells the whole story of the Transformer universe. It starts from the robot planet Cybertron, where the good Autobots fight the evil Megatron team. You will learn all about the main characters like Optimus Prime, the birth leader of the Autobots, and Megatron, the powerful enemy who wants to rule the universe. The book also has fun facts and amazing pictures. It shows its robots power the vehicle farms and the missions. You can even see between robots teams and how they come to aid. I like this book because it shows the importance of bravery, teamwork, and never giving up. Optimus Prime teaches us to be stronger and always do the right thing even when the enemy is bigger and stronger. It also shows that heroes come in all shapes, even as trucks and cars. I love this book because it's full of robot action and footage. It is exciting, colorful, and full of robot facts about my favorite Transformers. If you want a fun action-packed book, you should read Transformers: The Ultimate Guide. Thank you for listening. Remember, they more than meets the eye. Transformers, roll out.